Hello, hi, dear students. Welcome to you all in our today's class. Today, I am going to teach you that one of the most important topic, that is simplification of rational algebraic expression. And about this topic, we have discussed many more things in the previous class, and I have taught you there some basic concept about this topic. And you can follow my channel to watch the previous videos that is related to this topic, and some basic conceptual type questions are taught there about this topic. And today I'm going to teach you some application type questions and some higher ability type questions of this topic, and which are especially important for examination also, especially students of grade 10. So all of you are requested to watch this video till the end, and do not forget to do like, comment and subscribe it. Okay, now our today's question is x plus y upon x square plus xy plus y square, and x minus y upon x square minus xy plus y square, plus 2y cube upon x power 4 plus x square y square plus y to the power 4. At first, I am going to teach you such type of rational algebra expressions, how to simplify such type of rational algebra expressions. I am going to teach you, so all of you look it here very carefully. Okay, here in the beginning we have to see the types of question, we have to see the nature of questions, and we have to think that how we can simplify this type of questions very easily. So all of you, you can see here are three rational expressions. Three rational algebraic expressions are containing in this question. Three expressions are here, and we have to see these expressions here. In the first expression, there is x plus y upon x square plus xy plus y square, and here is x minus y upon x square minus xy plus y square, and here is 2y cube upon x to the power 4 plus x square y square plus y to the power 4. Okay, then here we have seen that this first rational expression and second rational algebraic expressions are of same nature. So better to simplify this first and second rational algebraic expressions, and then after simplifying this and this expression, whatever we get, then we can simplify again with this third rational algebraic expressions. So because we have seen that these both are in same nature, x square plus xy plus y square, here also x square minus xy plus y square, so that it is easier to take LCM here, so that we can do this first of all. Then after, and whatever answer comes from here, again we can simplify with this third rational algebraic expression. Okay, so let's start. This two we have to do at first, so this two we have to do. So I am going to do simplify of these two expressions, x plus y upon x square plus xy plus y square, and next is plus x minus y upon x square minus xy plus y square. And these two we are going to do, so that we can keep together this inside a bracket. If you do not keep this inside a bracket, also nothing happen, but this we can do it inside a bracket. Plus 2y cube upon, there is x to the power 4 plus x square y square plus y to the power 4. And you can see these two, the denominators of these both expressions are of same degree. You can see here is x power is 2, here is x power 1, y power 1, 1 plus 1 2, degree 2, here also degree 2, here also degree 2, here also degree 2, this both are same. And here is degree 4, see x power 4 plus x square y square plus y power 4, it is of degree 4. So we are going to do this at first. Now directly we can take LCM here. You know, LCM means, you know, product of common factors and remaining factor. So we can take both these, both are different, there is no any common factor, so both this and this, both denominators we can take as a LCM. So we can take here x square plus xy plus y square, and next is x square minus xy plus y square, we can write together. And after this, after taking LCM, our rule is we have to divide this LCM by its denominators. We have to divide this LCM by this denominator, and whatever quotient comes here, after dividing it, and that quotient goes to multiply here in the numerator. Otherwise, easy way to remember, we just compare this every denominator with this LCM. So here x square plus xy plus y square, x square plus xy plus y square, this both are same. So this internally we can cancel in our mind, x square plus xy plus y square, this both are equal. So we have to leave this and these are equal. So this we can cancel it, this cancel, remaining is this, remaining factor is x square minus xy plus y square. This both are equal, so this leave it, this cancel, remaining is this. So this remaining factor goes to multiply here in the numerator. So here numerator is x plus y, into this we can write. So you can write here x plus y, into this we can write x square minus xy plus y square, we can write this like, and plus is there, plus we can write. Same procedure we can follow here also. So this and this are equal, so this cancel, remaining factor is x square plus xy plus y square. So this remaining factor goes to multiply here in the numerator. So this into this we can write here, that is x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. Okay, our this first step it is finished. Plus this 2y cube we can put as it is, 2y cube, and upon x power 4 plus x square y square plus y to the power 4 we can put as it is. Okay, after this, everybody, here in the denominator, these two factors, when we multiply these two factors, x square plus xy plus y square and x square minus xy plus y square, then we get this x power 4 plus x square y square plus y power 4 we can get. So let's multiply these two, then direct we can get this. So this we can get x to the power 4 plus x square y square plus y to the power 4. These two factors when we multiply, then we get this single polynomial, and when we factorize this polynomial, then we can get these two factors. So you can this check it by multiplying these two, and when you multiply this and this factor, these two factors, then you can get this single polynomial x power 4 plus x square y square plus y square y power 4 you can get. So you can check it yourself by multiplying it. And upside x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square, these two factors are in multiply. So this we can multiply these two, and if it is in a particular formula, then we can apply the formula there. You know that two formulas, a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. And next formula, a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. These two very important formula you are taught already in the factorization. So here it is in formula, you can see here a plus b, here it is related to this here question, a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. If question is in this form, then we can write this in factorized form, and if question is in the factorized form, then we can write like this, a cube plus b cube. So here you can see x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square is equal to, we can write x cube plus y cube. So a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square we have, then we can write a cube plus b cube. Then if this x plus y, x square minus xy plus y square, then here we can write x cube plus y cube, x cube plus y cube we can write. And similarly plus here also same thing we can do here also. Okay, so here this also we can do same thing, a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. Here also like we can do a cube minus b cube, that is x cube minus y cube we can write. And here this we can write here plus 2y cube upon x power 4 plus x square y square plus y to the power 4, as it is we have to write. Okay, then here you can see this minus y cube plus y cube we can cancel it, and there is remaining x cube plus x cube we can add, then this we can get here 2x power cube divided by downside we can put same x power 4 plus x square y square plus y to the power 4 we can write, plus here also we can do same thing, 2y cube upon downside x to the power 4 plus x square y square plus y to the power 4 we can get. Okay, after this everybody, we got this, after simplifying this first two expression, after simplifying this first two expression, we got this answer to 2x cube upon x power 4 plus x square y square plus y power 4 we got. Again these two expressions remaining, again we have to simplify these two expression similar to this, like same like this we can simplify this. So we can do simplify this by taking LCM. So here we know x power 4 plus x square y square plus y power 4, here also same. So here denominators are same, so it is common, so we can write only one this x power 4 plus x square y square plus y power 4 because it is common factor, so only one is here, not other remaining, so that these two both are same, so we can write only one common factor. Okay, so LCM is only common here, no remaining factors are there, these both are common, so only one we can take. And same procedure we can follow, this denominator and this LCM both are equal, so this is cancelled to this, so remaining is 2x cube only there upside, 2x cube only remaining, plus here is this denominator is equal to this LCM, so this is cancelled, this equal to this cancel, so this remaining is 2y cube, upside is remaining 2y to the power cube. And after this, upside, if it is possible to factorize, then we can factorize it in the numerator and in the denominator, such that we can get their common factor and we can cancel it, so that here is 2 common we can see here, 2 is common, so we can take 2 common, there is x to the power cube is remaining, plus y power cube is remaining, this we can keep same, divide by downside is x to the power 4 plus x square y square plus y to the power 4 we can write. This equal to everybody, you can see here upside it is in the form of a cube plus b cube formula. The a cube plus b cube formula, you know, a plus b, here upside I have written a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square plus ab minus ab plus b square. So we can write this in the form of a cube plus b cube formula. So a cube plus b cube formula is, we know, a plus b, that is x plus y, into a square, that is x square, minus ab, that is xy we can write, plus b square is here y square we can write, and divide by downside is this. If we, you know, this type of expression how to factorize, you are taught already in the previous classes. So x to the power 4 plus x square y square plus y to the power 4, this we can factorize, and then we can get these two factors. We know when we multiply these two factors, x square plus xy plus y square and x square minus xy plus y square, then we can get this x to the power 4 plus x square y square plus y power 4 single, this polynomial we can get. And when we factorize this, again we can get these two factors, so that you can write in place of this directly these two factors you can write. So we can write here, one is x square plus xy plus y square, and next is x square minus xy plus y square we can write. After factorizing these, we can get two factors, this and this and this. So you know this very well. So now we can cancel it. This is common factor in the numerator and in denominator, so we can cut the common factors. Now remaining is our answer. There is remaining 2 bracket x plus y remaining upside in numerator, divide by in the denominator there is x square plus x is y plus y square. So this much is our answer. So this remaining, this much is our answer. In this way we can simplify the this type of question. So you can practice a lot, like same patterns questions, similar type of question you can see from the textbook or from practice book, then you can practice yourself. Okay, so after this again I am going to teach you same type of another example. Look it here. Okay, dear students, I am going to do the same type of question here. Next question, B number. There is x minus 2 upon x square minus 2x plus 4 plus x plus 2 upon x square plus 2x plus 4, and next is minus 16 upon x to the power 4 plus 4x square plus 16. Okay, this is next question. This is also same type of question. Okay, this is also same type of question. This also we can do in same way. Here is x and 2. Here is one variable x is there, another number is constant number 2, other 4 are there. Here coefficient is 2. In the previous question there was only two variables x and y. Here is only x and y. Two variables are using here in this expression, and here you can see here we have the numbers also. X minus 2, here x is the one variable given, 2 is one constant number. Similarly this type of question, but procedure is same and question is also same. Okay, so look it here. This also we can do in the same way. Here also three rational expressions are here. Rational algebraic expression 1, 2, 3 are there. So first of all we simplify these two, then after whatever answer we get from here, then again we can simplify with this third rational algebraic expression. So let's simplify this at first. So this I am going to simplify the solution. Same procedure we can follow it here. This is x minus 2 upon x square minus 2x plus 4, and here is plus x plus 2 upon x square plus 2x plus 4, and this we have to do together so that this we can keep inside a bracket, minus 16 upon x to the power 4 plus 4x square plus 16. Okay, this I am keeping inside a bracket because this means that at first we are going to do these two question. Okay, otherwise we are going to simplify these two expression. Okay, so let's take LCM. You know very well that LCM means product of common factors and a remaining factor, and here we have no any common factor in these two. Both denominators are different in sign, so this we can take both. This is x square minus 2x plus 4, and next expression is there, next is there x square plus 2x plus 4. We can take both this and this, both we can take LCM. And you know I have taught you that one easier way. This we have to compare the denominators with the LCM, and this we can get x square minus 2x plus 4, x square minus 2x plus 4 equal. So this cancel we can do internally in mind, we have to cancel it. No need to show here. X square minus 2x plus 4 and x square minus 2x plus 4, this both are equal, so this is cancelled. What is remaining? This is remaining, x square plus 2x plus 4 is remaining. This remaining factor goes to multiply here in the numerator. Okay, so let's multiply x minus 2 into this we can write here x square plus 2x plus 4, and plus is there, plus we can do. Similarly here we can do compare this denominators with this LCM, and this both this denominator and LCM, this one factor is same, x square plus 2x plus 4. Here also x square plus 2x plus 4, both are equal, so this is cancelled. What is remaining here in the LCM? X square minus 2x plus 4 remaining, so this remaining factor goes to multiply here in the numerator. So x plus 2 is there, x plus 2 multiplies with this. Okay, so we can write here x plus 2 into x square minus 2x plus 4. This is now minus 16, this minus 16 upon there is x to the power 4 plus 4x square plus 16. This we can put as it is, this no need to do anything. This last algebraic expression is written same as it is from the beginning. Okay, then after this you can see here downside in the LCM, x square minus 2x plus 4. Here is x square plus 2x plus 4 we have. So if we multiply these two factors, then we can get this single factor, x power 4 plus 4x square plus 16 we can get. So these two factors when we multiply, then we can get single polynomial this. So we can write x to the power 4 plus 4x square plus 16. Dear students, you can check yourself here by multiplying these two factors. When we multiply this and this, then we can get this single polynomial we can get, so that we can write it. After this, upside in the numerator, x minus 2 into x square plus 2x plus 4. It is in formula or not? If it is in formula, then we can use their formula. If it is not in formula, then we can multiply directly. You know there how to multiply. You have learned it from class 6, 7 and 8. In class 8 also you have done. Now this x minus 2 into x square plus 2x plus 4 we can multiply. So like this, multiply, before doing multiply we can check it is in formula or not. So you can see here there is a cube. Already I taught that a cube plus b cube formula is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Again, if there is a cube minus b cube this form of the question, then we can write a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. We can write this like so. Here it is a minus b. Here a represents x, b represents 2, and here is a square. A square means x square plus ab, okay, plus ab is there. The plus ab means a is x, sorry, x b is 2, then x into 2 we can do 2x plus b square is 2 square, we can do 4. So it is in formula, yes. So it is in the form of a cube minus b cube formula. We can add a cube minus b cube here. A cube means here x power cube minus b cube means here 2 power cube. We can write this 2a. When we multiply or when we apply formula, then we can get only this much. A cube minus b cube formula is a minus b, a square plus ab means x into 2x plus b square means 2 square is 4 we get. So it is in formula, so directly we can write in form of a cube minus b cube formula. Plus is there, plus. So here is also it is in formula, a plus b, a square minus ab means here x multiple to 2x plus b square means 2 square is here 4. So it is in formula, so we can write a cube plus b cube, x cube plus 2 cube. So we have to check it here, okay. So if it is in formula, then we can apply formula of a cube plus b cube and a cube minus b cube. If it is not in formula, then directly we have to multiply. So formula make us easier. So it is, we are getting very easily this x cube minus 2 cube plus x cube plus 2 cube. So our simplification became simplest. So this we can cancel it. Now here is remaining minus 16 upon x to the power 4 plus 4x square plus 16, and next is there remaining x plus x cube or 2x cube we can write as it is. This divide by downside we can put same, x to the power 4 plus 4x square plus 16 we can write, minus here is 16 upon downside x to the power 4 plus 4x square plus 16. And here you know both denominators are same. Again we have to simplify this two, so we have to take LCM. So it is easier to take LCM because the denominators are same, x power 4 plus 4x plus 16, this is common, so common is there. So we only one we can write, x to the power 4 plus 4x square plus 16 we can put. And you know this denominators it divides this LCM, so these both are equal, so this cancel, this is cancelled to this, here nothing remaining. So upside 2x cube is remaining, that we have to put as it is 2x cube minus this is equal, so here is 16 remaining, 16 we can put here as it is. After this upside if there is possible to factorize in the numerator and in the denominator, we have to factorize. Already I have said to you 2x cube minus 16, and this if it is possible to factorize, we have to factorize it. Then common factors can come there, then common factors can be cancelled down and up. Already I told you here is common factor, here is common, we can take 2 common, upside 2 is common, so 2 common we can take, x cube minus 2 divided 16 now mean 2 8 is 16 divided by downside is x to the power 4 plus 4x square plus 16 we can put this like this equal to upside 2 into a cube minus b cube, x cube minus 8 can be written 2 power cube because this 8 is we can write 2 power cube, and this is now gone in the form of a cube minus b cube formula, and divided by downside x to the power 4 plus 4x square plus 16 we can write here. This after is equal to, we can write this upside it is in formula a cube minus b cube formula, you know, a cube minus b cube, this two formula of a cube plus b cube and a cube minus b cube, you have to keep this in your mind. So here a cube minus b cube is equal, you know, a minus b, that is x minus 2. Now a square means x square, plus ab means x multiple 2, we can do 2x, plus b square is here 2 square, 2 square values we can write directly 4 here. Here a square plus ab plus b square means 2 square, so 2 square is directly 4, we can write here. So divide by downside x to the power 4 plus 4x square plus 16. When we factorize this denominator x power 4 plus 4x square plus 16, then we can get two factors, this x square minus 2x plus 4 and x square plus 2x plus 4. So we can write in place of these two factors we can write. So we can write here x square plus 2x plus 4, and next factor is x square minus 2x plus 4. And students, you can cut this is a common factor, so we can cut down and up. Now remaining is 2 bracket x minus 2 divided by x square minus 2x plus 4. So this is remaining, so this is our answer. So in this way we can simplify this type of question. So I hope that you feel easier this question, how to simplify it. You can get concept from here. Just I have taught you here the concept how to simplify the questions of this pattern. Okay, so this is b number, this second example I have done. After this, one question I'm going to do, that is most important for examination. These are also very important because this type of question is asking time and again in the examination, especially for the students of grade 10, asking in the SE examination, and even for class 9 also it is very very important. Okay, after this, now next example. Okay, now I am going to teach you the example number third. Here is question is C number question, x minus 2 upon x square minus 2x, x square minus 2x, sorry, this is not next example, wait. Okay, now next example number third is this, x plus 2 upon 1 plus x square minus x minus 2 upon 1 minus x plus x square minus 2x square upon 1 plus x square plus x power 4. This is also one of the most important question. Now look at here how to simplify this question is this is also of same type question like previous question that I did, question number A and B. Here also we have to do simplify this first and second algebraic expression. Here also we have to do simplify this first and second algebraic expression. So let's do it. Solution. Here we have to do simplify of x plus 2 divided by 1 plus x square, and next is minus x minus 2 upon 1 minus x plus x square. Now first of all we are going to simplify this first and second expression, so this we have to better to keep inside bracket, and minus this is 2x square upon 1 plus x square plus x to the power 4, we have to keep as it is. Okay, then let's take LCM of these two expression. We can take LCM directly. So LCM means, you know, product of common factor and remaining factor. Here we don't have common factor, both are different, so we can take both LCM. The LCM is 1 plus x square, and next is 1 minus x plus x square. This both we can take LCM. Now we have to divide this LCM by this denominator, otherwise just compare this denominator with this LCM. 1 plus x plus x square, 1 plus x plus x square, this both are equal, so this is cancel. Now what is remaining here? This is equal to this, so remaining factor is 1 minus x plus x square. So remaining factor, this goes to multiply here in the numerator, so this into this we can do, that is x plus 2 into here it is 1 minus x plus x square we can do, and minus is there, minus we can put here also, same we can do, same procedure. This denominator is equal to this denominator, so sorry, this denominator is equal to this LCM 1 minus x plus x square, so this is equal to this, so this is cancelled. What is remaining here? 1 plus x square is remaining, so this remaining factor multiplies here with this x minus 2, that is we can write x minus 2 multiplied by 1 plus x square, we can write this like. Okay, this last one remaining expression is 2x square upon 1 plus x square plus x to the power 4, we can put as it is. Okay, after this here you know already that when we multiply these two factors, then directly we can get 1 plus x square plus x power 4. You can check it, okay, you can check it. When you practice a lot of this type of question, then you can be habitual that you can get idea from here, this and this. If we multiply these two factors, then directly we can get this, so this and this multiplying, then this we get, so we can do 1 plus x square plus x to the power 4, we can write this, we can write here. And upside, if it is in formula of a cube plus b cube and a cube minus b cube, then we can write in formula. But here if you check it, it is not, you don't find here it is in formula. X plus 2, here is 1 minus x plus x square. So you know a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So if you consider this as a if you consider this x as a and this 2 as a b, then a plus b, a square means suppose x square is okay. Now minus ab means here x into 2, here should be 2x, but here is only x, plus b square means this 1 square, so 1 square here 2 square it should be there, 2 square means 4 should be here, but it is not here, so it is not in formula of a cube plus b cube and a cube minus b cube. So directly we can multiply this, here we have to multiply because it is not in formula, then we have to multiply. Similarly this also, so let's multiply this, you know, multiply. First of all, x multiplies with this 1 minus x plus x square, so we can write here x into 1 minus x plus x square, this we can write. And now turn up plus 2 again multiplies with this all, the plus 2 into this all we can write plus 2 into 1 minus x plus x square we can write. And here also minus we have as it is, and here this also I can multiply in the same way. Here better to keep bracket here because this minus sign later on it changes there inside all the signs, so that we can put bracket here. Now again x minus 2 multiplies with this 1 plus x square, so let's multiply. X it multiplies with this all 1 plus x square, here is minus 2, now turn up minus 2 multiply with this all, so 1 plus x square we can write. This last one here I am not writing, same, okay, this is 2x square upon 1 plus x square plus x power 4, you can write here as it is. Okay, after this downside 1 plus x square plus x to the power 4 we can put same, and upside let's multiply x into 1x, that is x only, minus x into x square plus x into x square x to the power cube plus 2 multiplies with this 1, 2 1s are 2, minus 2 multiply x 2x plus 2 multiply x square 2x square we can do, minus here also we can do same way we can multiply this x multiply with this all, x into 1 x plus x into x square plus x into x square x power cube. Here also now turn up minus 2 multiple 1 minus 2 minus plus minus 2 multiple with this x 2x minus 2 multiply with this x square, then minus 2x square, bracket we can close this minus, last one is remaining 2x square upon 1 plus x square plus x to the power 4. Okay, after this here is just a multiply is finished, but now this bracket we have to open. This is remaining 1 plus x square plus x to the power 4. Upside let's write same, x minus x square plus x cube plus this 2 minus this 2x plus this 2x square minus this x. Now minus all multiply there inside, minus plus minus x square minus plus minus x cube minus minus plus this 2 minus minus plus this 2x minus minus plus this 2x square. We can write a bracket is open already. This minus sign is multiplying to all this sign inside there, so that all signs are changing this opposite. Now this minus 2x cube minus 2x square upon 1 plus x square plus x power 4 is putting as it is. Okay, then here if there is possible to cancel minus plus, then we can cancel it. Here is minus x cube plus x cube, we can cut it. Similarly plus sorry, this is 2 not cancel it is, sorry. Okay, this 2 is same. Here is minus 2x plus this 2x, we can cancel it. This is plus x minus x, we can cut it. And everybody, you can see here this 2x square, it is in plus, and this minus x square again minus x square minus 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 2x square minus x square and a minus x square we can add, then minus x square and a minus x minus 2x square we can get. The minus 2x square cancel with this, so this is this 2x square cuts this x square minus x square and next minus x square. This 2x square plus 2x square is cancelling with this both minus x square. Okay, you know that minus x square minus 2x square minus 2x square plus 2x square we can cancel. Now remaining is upside this here is 2 remaining, here is 2 remaining. Okay, this I am not cancelling. This 2 is remaining, 2 plus 2 we can do here 4, and this remaining is there 2x square. This 2x square we can put. Downside is 1 plus x square plus x to the power 4 minus here is 2x square, so here we can write 2x square upon downside 1 plus x square plus x to the power 4. Everybody, now again we have to take LCM. So this take LCM. LCM means common factor and product of common factor and remaining factor. Here is only common factor we have, so both are same. So when only one we can write 1 plus x square plus x to the power 4, and both are same here, so this is cancelled. Now upside is remaining 4 plus this 2x square and minus this is also equal, so this is remaining 2x square upside. Now minus 2x square plus 2x we can cancel. Now remaining is 4 remaining upside, 4 divided by 1 plus x square plus x to the power 4. So only this much is our answer. So in this way we can simplify the such type of questions. Everybody learn it, get benefit from it, and you try to practice such type of questions yourself. Thank you, this much only for today. I hope everybody you can get benefit from it by watching this video, and nobody forget to do like, comment and subscribe it by saying this much, only this much for today. Thank you everybody, bye bye.